A month ago we did a deep cleaning in this property. So this is just the maintenance services. This is a big mirror in the master bathroom. Huge mirror. Beautiful master bathroom, tub and shower. And this is the maintenance service. We don't have to do a deep cleaning. The deep cleaning we were doing with a squeegee. Now we are using a microfiber cloth just to dust and clean all the mirror. It won't leave any kind of residue. It's lint free. And this is the type of service that we do. You can contact us at 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage, anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you for watching us. Good morning, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and we are using a metafiber cloth. This cloth is especially for windows or glass. It's like a microfiber, but it's called metafiber. It's like a paper towel, like a bounty, but it's strong. You cannot rip that towel. There is no need to use a squeegee right now. And Carlos is cleaning all the glass and all the surface of this beautiful master bathroom. You must know, if you see our videos, you must know this house already. This is a maintenance services, and Juan Carlos is shining right now the shower glass. In the meantime, Hilda is fixing the bed and dusting all the surface from the bedroom. Beautiful view, as you know, and you can contact us at 407-572-4118. All of us, we are using glove, protection mask, swifter, our vest, and shoe covers. Yeah. Sí, también. So the same procedure is doing Carlos. We already did everything. This is just maintenance, and this is the way we clean the glass to remove any kind of fingerprints. We don't use any kind of hard chemicals or hard agent cleaning products. Just a metafiber cloth. Show me the cloth. Yeah, he is changing the size. We have plenty of videos of how we clean, how we do a deep cleaning or our maintenance services. We are located right now in Dr. Phillips, Orlando area, and you can reach us at 407-572-4118. Change the size. Muy bien, él está cambiando los sizes. Anilda is putting the sheets and folding everything properly to the house. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Even though we come every 2 weeks to this house to do a maintenance service, because we are in front of the beautiful lake, there is always lake flies. We always do that. We always clean the edges of the window, and I know that we do it because I come with them, with the cleaning crew. But I don't know why always happen things like that to remove the lake flies. Carlos is dusting all the chairs, and even in the lamps I see a little bit of cobwebs. But you can say, oh, nobody cleaned this house. No, I assure you that we always dust. But I don't know why is that. I really think that is because of the lake. I don't know why. I don't know if you can see, there is over there cobweb, over there, right there, right there, and right there. So keep in mind that if the condo or the house is in front of the lake, you have to dust everything, especially the lamps, the light fixtures, things like that, the edges of the window sills. This is the kitchen, and Hilda is going to start cleaning this stove. Throw out the garbage as soon as she finishes dusting the master bedroom. We use what we use, the Swifter. Mira, señora, venga. Yeah, the Swifter, we buy like a box of 25. I was saying that we always dust.
Yes.
And we always dust, but I don't know why it's like that. Yeah. Cuidado con el foco, cuidado con la mano. Ahorita lo arreglamos. Mira. Mira esto. That's weird. So thank you for watching us. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Bye.